What's up guys, Sal here. So there's no denying that Xiaomi makes great budget phones. Its Redmi and Redmi Note series have been really popular in a lot of markets, and now almost a year after the launch of the Redmi Note 4, Xiaomi has come up with a new model to replace it. So let's unbox it and see if it's equipped to take the brand's legacy forward. So this is the Redmi 5 Plus, also known as the Redmi Note 5. It comes wrapped in all red cardboard box. Just as nearly every single Redmi before it, the 5 Plus is bundled with a 10-watt charger and a micro USB cable. Xiaomi also provides a transparent rubber case, but I almost missed it as it was packed with the quick start guides, which no one cares about, right? And by the way, this device is sent to me by GearBest. I'll leave the links to this product in the description box below. Do check them out. So compared to the Redmi Note 4, which is one of the most successful handsets for the company, Xiaomi didn't go for a complete redesign because the widescreen gave it enough of a new look and feel. Below the noticeably bigger screen, the capacitive keys are gone for good. The subtle 2.5D effect on the front glass is still there, but not too prominent. Flip the device and you'll find a virtually identical back with the Redmi Note 4. The top and bottom antenna inlays are made up of plastic, while the centerpiece is all metal, as is the camera rim. Over at the bottom, the single speaker and the primary mic are behind symmetrical micro-drilled grills. Xiaomi has equipped the Redmi Note 5 with a trending 6-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution. The Redmis are the next mid-range series to adopt the 18:9 wide aspect ratio, and the tall screen is the single most important change on the 5 Plus feature list. The sunlight legibility is not among the best I've seen, but it's reasonably good for the price bracket. It's equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, 4 GB of RAM, and has a Snapdragon 625 under the hood. It supports regular 5-volt charging, which restores about 29% of the battery in 30 minutes of charging. It runs on Xiaomi's own MIUI 9, a neat launcher based on the latest Android Nougat version 7.1.2. It has a 12 megapixel camera with f2.2 lens, and the front camera is of 5 megapixel. I'm gonna do a full review of this handset and let you know exactly how I feel about this device, so stay tuned for that. And let me know your thoughts on this in the comments below, and as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.